This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to create and load Power Queries into your workbook in Excel. Power Query is a business intelligence tool available in Excel that allows you to import data from many different sources and then clean, transform, and reshape your data as needed. It allows you to set up a query once and then reuse it with a simple refresh. It's also pretty powerful. Power Query can import and kill millions of rows into the data model for analysis. The user interface is intuitive and well laid out, so it's really easy to pick up. Importing your data with Power Query is simple. Excel provides many common data connections that are accessible from the Data tab and can be found from the Get Data command. For example, I want to import data from a workbook. You can choose which sheets do you want to be imported. I choose sheet 1. There is a more common query type available in the top level of the ribbon commands found in the Get and Transfer section of the Data tab. From here, we can easily access the From Web queries. To import data from web, you should import URL. I want to import weather forecasting data for New York City in different months. After copy URL, select OK to import data. As you can see, there are different months and you can choose some of them to import as table. By clicking on Queries in the right menu, you can see detailed information about the query, such as number and names of columns, data sources, etc. To import query into your worksheet and in a specific location, right-click on the query and select Load To. Choose Table to import query as table and define location in the where do you want to put the data box. To update whatever you imported into your worksheet, you can use Refresh button. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.